Welcome back to your favorite channel Shakuntlam Classes, and today I am here with the most awaited and the latest update regarding the B.Ed second year exam of DDU University. Yes guys, you heard it right. Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gorakhpur University has declared its unofficial date for the B.Ed second year exam. The first most controversial question amongst the students is regarding the pattern of the B.Ed exam, whether the exam will be in MCQ or descriptive. So dear students, the exam pattern for B.Ed second year will be of MCQ, means there will be a question given and four options will be given for that, and one will be your correct answer. Coming to the next most asked question, when will be the exam or what will be the month of the exam? Some of you are spreading rumors, and a lot of channels are telling that the exam can be conducted in the month of November or December. So guys, 95% of probability is that the exam can be conducted in the month of September itself. Though half of the month has passed, but there is probability that the last week of September can be the examination date for B.Ed second year students. So you have to be mentally and physically prepared for your exam, and I know many of you must have been already doing the preparation, so there is no need to panic. You just have to do a thorough revision, study each and everything from your book. So September can be your examination month. I'm not 100% sure, but there is a probability that your exam can be conducted in the month of September. There is one more possibility that within such a short duration, exam can not be conducted, but you should prepare yourself according to the month of September only. Now, what will be the date of the exam? As I have told you, as per the 95% probability, last week of September can be your examination date. Then it means 27th of September can be your exam date. The next thing which the students are asking, and a lot of confusion is there in their mind about the paper. As you all know that in our B.Ed curriculum, you have got four papers, that is principles and method of teaching, population and environmental education, pedagogy subject 1 and pedagogy subject 2, as per your choice. But for exam purpose, there is a possibility that two papers will be combined, and this is 100% sure that these two papers will be coming in a combined way, that is your paper number 1 uh, and the your paper number 4. Okay, that is environmental and population and the principles and method of teaching. I'm not sure about the paper number, but these two paper will be in the combined way. Okay, so uh, total number of papers will be two, that is one will be your environmental and population education and principles and methods of teaching, and the second will be your pedagogy subjects. Okay, so both the pedagogy subject questions can come in combined form. With this, I would like to quote Eleanor Roosevelt, who says, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." So if you want to achieve your dreams, you need to prepare yourself well. With this, I would like to end today's video.